Here, how I find zero search volume, low competition but high traffic potential. Now, this is of course shared by a Reddit user, and I'm just gonna share it with you. So, the more you research, the better outcome it is to rank on a Google or improve on a Google. So, I won't share any typical strategy like look into competitor keywords, blah blah blah. This method helps sites that are new, low authority in competitive niche that want to target keywords that big sites don't have dedicated pages for. Now, what this means is basically if you're new, if you have a new domain, then it's easy for you instead of focusing on competitive keywords. So here how this goes. Start by using Google, Bing, YouTube autocomplete to understand how people search for topic. Let's say you're researching coffee machines and you have different type of combinations. So what coffee machines, when coffee machines, how, what, when, how, are coffee machines, why coffee machines, and so on. And this shows the actual phrases people type into the Google. For example, typing how coffee machine might show suggestions that how coffee machines work, right? So this is a filler keyword. It's autocompletes. So you need to look at the keywords everywhere suggestions for each search. So keywords everywhere is good, or you can also use whatever Uber suggests. Okay. The extension shows additional keywords on the right side of the Google's results and write down all unique keywords it says. And take all those keywords, check them in SEMrush. But here's what makes this different approach. Okay. Like focus on keywords that SEMrush shows having zero search volume. These are often overlooked keywords that actually have search potential. To verify this potential, export the zero volume keywords and put them in a Google Keyword Planner and look for the keywords that show 10 to 100 monthly searches. Year-over-year increase in searches. For example, like yearly change, if there is an increase. A keyword like coffee machine pressure adjustment has zero search volume in SEMrush, but 100 monthly searches in Keyword Planner by Google with increasing interest, which means SEMrush takes consideration to yearly data, but this Keyword Planner is updated every single day. As a final check, look up these keywords in Google Trends, focus on the target country, and this is how you do it. So only after a keyword passes all these checks, create content. Like have actual search volume confirmed by Google Keyword Planner, show growing interest, have less competition. You can do show growing interest, you can do this by Google Trends, have less competitions since they appear as zero volume in search, show real user interest verified by Google Trends. So this is how we do it. Like how to do it manually, go to Google and type refined keyword. After you search, you might see bubbles or suggestions at the top of the bottom of the results. There are related queries that people often search. Click on one of the services queries, look at the new search results, note any important words. Go back to original search, gather all the important terms from the bubbles, and group similar terms keyword and write the article. So you can also see the theme of particular SEO article by analyzing the PA. When writing down the content, you should answer these questions naturally throughout as this satisfies the user intent. Okay, this is the approach. So basically, zero search volume keywords have potential, and it is also, less overrated, underrated, that it doesn't have a search volume doesn't mean it doesn't have a traffic. So sometimes it is a high potential traffic, and you can confirm that by going to the Google Keyword Planner. With that said, catch you on the next one.